The first function is to quickly map, draw, and nest. You can add some simple drawings to the drawing interface. Quick layout. Create nesting task. Click OK. Quickly add files. Add directly from File. Select all graphic files. You can quickly import any graphics. Quick layout. Enter the quantity. Nesting. After the parts are nested, there will be an automatic remaining material function. It will automatically generate a remaining material line. You can optimize the tool path sequence. Apply to the current page. Will calculate the best sorting route. Because there are not many parts, there is some vacancies inside. At this time, you can add the number of parts to make it more. Just drag them in and add to it. Part spacing is automatically set during the adding process. After arranging, the remaining material can be generated. Sheet utilization can be maximized. Auto sort again. It will generate an optimal cutting route. Some customers need common edge cutting. There will be common edge commands in the layout. You can see that some graphics have been co-edged out. Generate residual material cutting line for the simulated cutting. After the simulation, you can continue to generate reports. Export and process. Process optimization. Generate quotation. All export processing.